I'm Keira. I'm a student support specialist here at Red Mill Elementary. I love watching kids grow up and just seeing them go from like the beginning of the school year even just to now, watching them grow. One of my friends on the softball team played, and she told me about this program, and I thought that it'd be a good opportunity for me because I've always wanted to become a teacher my whole life. I loved all my teachers here. They all had a really big impact on me, so coming back, my mom also works here at Red Mill, so coming back, it's been a great opportunity to really see all the teachers again, and being able to this time, instead of being their students, now working with them. I think it's really cool how I got to switch from that. How caring and kind all of the kids are. I would never expect such little kids, kindergarteners, being so caring. Every morning whenever I walk in, I get huge hugs and a bunch of different pictures drawn. But they're also not only caring towards me, but to each other. They help each other out if they ever need help with a project that we're doing, a craft, anything, they're always helping.
Hi, I'm Angie Noggle, and I am a kindergarten teacher at Red Mill Elementary. Helps us with progress monitoring, making sure that the kids are meeting all of their benchmark goals, and she really helps us by building strong relationships with the kids. When Miss Keira is in the room, they are smiling and they all want her attention. Keira works with a small group of students every day to expand their math skills, so she's doing that. She also can jump right in if I'm needed somewhere else to take over the class. She knows our routine, she knows the expectations, and she knows what the kids are capable of. I hope she takes away that she wants to be a kindergarten teacher, and just remembers sometimes how we handle difficult situations. And remembering that it's not always easy, but the good things are what make it worth it.
So I plan on going to Penn State to major in elementary education and become a kindergarten teacher.